Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorial. Today we are talking about how to only find hourly jobs on Upwork. Why would you want to know how to only find hourly jobs on Upwork? Well, maybe it is your first time using Upwork and not sure how to only find hourly jobs on Upwork. So today I am going to show you how to only find hourly jobs on Upwork. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. If you are willing to get hourly jobs on Upwork and don't know how you can do that, the process is very simple. First of all, open any browser. Now write upwork.com in search bar. Now you are seeing search bar. Click on search bar without typing anything. Now you are seeing filters in left corner. Select hourly and also edit your hourly budget. After selecting hourly budget, you will only see hourly jobs having spending hourly amount according to the amount you selected. There you go. If you wanted to know how to only find hourly jobs on Upwork, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to leave a comment below, be sure to subscribe for more videos.